those things. No, this function is the tension of it, the tensioning of the finishing.
So what about the functionality of these?
This is the color change. This is the color change. Change other colors. Yeah, you change the colors, then only you can convert it. This is the tensioning of it.
So at a time only one will work, right?
Yes.
At a time only one needle will work.
Yes, one needle drop. You cannot drop too many needles. One needle drop.
Okay.
When it breakage, it stops itself.
Okay.
If you don't stop, accidentally, it goes to your hand.
Okay.
Apa tu? Ini anak. Nama apa?
എന്താ പറയുക സൂചി കാര്യം?
സൂചി ഇത് പല ഒരു അറ്റ് എ ടൈം ഒരു സൂചി വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുള്ളൂ.
ഓ,
അപ്പൊ ഇത് പല നിറത്തിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ടുള്ളതാണ്. പല
ഡിഫറെന്റ് കളർ ഡിഫറെന്റ് നൂഡിൽ.
Different colors. You have to follow the color sequence. The color sequence over there.
So where it is getting manufactured?
Japan.
This is Japan company.
Yeah.
Japan. Okay. So sophisticated technology.
Yeah.
So no.
This is a Japan technology. You are from?
From India.
India. Dhaka there.
Sorry?
Dhaka.
Bangladesh.
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 Huh?
We are from
Oh, you're India.
Bangalore.
India, Bangalore. Delhi, New Delhi. Tirupur also there. Tirupur.
Tirupur. Yeah, there is a lot of garment industry.
Yeah, garment industry over there a lot.
Cool. Okay, thank you.
Okay.